Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one bench software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll talk about the SMS Gateway, which is the path to configuring the text messages you send your customers. We'll go over the options and the different configurations. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Scroll down and go into the Settings app. Click on SMS Gateway, located at the top of the screen. Here, you have all the options available for SMS configuring. Let's go over the ones we'll actually be using. Draft Quick SMS. These are quick messages to customers. Here we have all the quick SMS templates. Hit Create to create a new template. Choose if this SMS is going to be sent in a campaign to multiple members or an individual member. Next to Send SMS Type. In the SMS Gateway field, make sure to always select MSG91, which is the gateway that we use. Add the contact number for an individual member or the SMS campaign name if it's a campaign. Then give your template a name and finally type in the actual message. Since this is a one-way service, it's important for you to add at the end of the message, "Do not reply." You may choose to send a message immediately by clicking on Send Now, and don't forget to hit Save to save the template. Send Quick SMS shows you the quick SMSs that have been sent, and you can also create templates just like in Draft Quick SMS. SMS Templates. Here you can view, edit, and also create SMS templates from scratch. The difference between SMS templates and Draft Quick SMS templates is that the SMS templates can be assigned to certain conditions, like when an order is confirmed, and we can apply it to a file or a document, like a sales order. Just like before, you add the text and you can preview your template. Don't forget to hit Save to complete the process. Now let's go into any part of the system where you can view and use the chatter/log note section and click on Send SMS. You may now choose any SMS template you previously created. In part 2, we will discuss the dynamic placeholder generator in order to automate things like the customer name and have the message sent out with the customer's name automatically. Thank you very much. Work smarter, not harder.